where you are in the world.
So we have been given the opportunity to go to Hobby Lobby today to get some Christmas stuff. So we've already been to Target and we were able to find a stocking for Ryder. Now we need to go to Target and find stocking holders because all of ours have pretty much broken. So let's go find stocking holders.
Christmas ornaments. They
Yeah.
have a bunch.
Yeah, Lily wants to find some Christmas ornaments. We'll see how far that goes.
Crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe under the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day.
Oh my God.
It fits. It fits.
So we're on a mission to find a pickle ornament. So Riley's already telling me we're spending too much money. Still didn't find stocking holders.
I can get
So
That's so cute.
we're gonna call it a day. I have breakable stuff. So we've done really good. We went in with a budget of $100 and only spent $54.87. Thomas, you will be so proud of us. Here we go, y'all. So what's some girl shopping time without Ellie? I got the seasonal white chocolate pumpkin. White chocolate pumpkin.
Got the
Riley
white
got the
chocolate
same thing.
pumpkin.
Emma, what did you get? The
Pumpkin spice latte.
pumpkin spice latte, and Lily Grace stuck with an OG chai tea latte.
But I totally recommend this.
I got a hot.
Yes.
I got a hot one.
What are you doing?
Get it down the tree, slide it.
What's in the body bag?
It's not good.
Oh my God! It's that time!
Like you're giving it a party.
But look at those branches like you're giving it a party. Fluffing your branches will make your tree look fluffier and more festive.